What's happening, pals? It's your girl, Elena Besser, and welcome to Boozin with Besser. Today, we are making a sassy little number, a sexy little number, a Vesper Martini. The Vesper Martini first came to be in the famous film franchise, James Bond. Boozin. Boozin with Besser, baby. I know what you're thinking. Whoa, 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 she's a lady talking about cocktails. That was cheesy, but even though I throw out a lot of dad jokes, I'm just a gal who likes to drink, and I'm gonna show you how to make a really great drink today. I love this drink because it is a combination of vodka and gin. So for people out there that don't necessarily love gin, kind of like me, it's a really great way to start to like the spirit a bit more. And it has lillet in it, which is a sweeter, more floral version of the dry vermouth that is typically in a martini. It was first written about in the novel. He orders a Vesper Martini. At first, it doesn't necessarily have a name. Here I go. I'm gonna try to do this with a straight face. A dry martini, 1. But until he meets the beautiful woman named Vesper, deep champagne goblet. That is how it ends up getting named. I also contemplated doing a British accent. I'm a trained actor, I can do this. A dry martini, 1. Accents is where I draw the line. We are going to start off with a little bit of vodka, 1 ounce of vodka. Love the rose gold top. Matches my jewelry. I'm a rose gold girl. My middle name is Rose, so partial to all things roses, except the flower. We're going to do 3 ounces of gin. This is a boozy girl. Why do I keep gendering this drink? It just feels very feminine, that's why, okay? But what is gender? It's a construct, let me tell you. And 1/2 ounce of lillet. Lillet all day.
Can you explain lillet?
It would be my pleasure to explain lillet to you. It is a fortified wine. It is an aperitif. And it actually belongs to the aperitif group of tonic wine because it has quinine in it. And quinine is what's in tonic water. And it used to be used to treat malaria. So basically what I'm trying to say is that alcohol is medicine. Before we're gonna mix it up, we're going to chill our glass by adding an ice cube and some club soda, because I learned this on the internet. Club soda makes your glass chill faster, which is a fun fact. Now we're going to add in our ice. Even though Bond likes his cocktails shaken instead of stirred, I think that martinis are way smoother if you stir them. So sorry, Bond, but we're gonna be stirring this one today. We wanna stir this long enough so that the drink is sufficiently chilled. Essentially what's happening is, as I'm stirring this, the ice is slowly melting, slowly chilling the beverage. But we're being careful to not overly dilute the drink because we still want that nice spirit forward beverage. However, we do want it to be extra chilly. I know a lot of people say that you shouldn't mix tons of spirits together, but the truth is vodka and gin are actually siblings. They are made in the exact same way. The only difference is gin has tons of botanicals put into it before it is then distilled again. Think of vodka as the sibling that stayed in the suburbs, you know, maybe ended up being a lawyer, doctor, and gin is the Hollywood starlet that risked it all and adds a little extra pizzazz. So there you go. We are now going to strain our drink into our chilled glass. Garnish with a lemon peel. And we're gonna take that lemon and express the oils over the top of the drink. And there you have it, a Vesper Martini. Cheers, let's give it a taste. Delicioso. Yum! It is so smooth. It is so bright. It wakes you up. Yes, she's boozy. However, lemony fresh, The gin feels nicely mellowed out because of the addition of the vodka. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just drink these with caution because they're very boozy. And the last time I enjoyed many a Vesper Martini was at my cousin's wedding, and I overserved myself. I'll just be fully honest. My husband, Xander, had to take me to the water side to do jumping jacks to sober up. But worth it, because these are delicious. As this season comes to a close, I just wanna say thank you so much for joining me. Yes, I am a chef, I'm not a mixologist, but I love to drink. And I want you to feel inspired to make amazing drinks yourself too. If you wanna learn a new skill, it is truly never too late. Take it from me. I wanted to learn more about drinking, so I am drinking. I know enough about drinking. I wanted to learn more about mixology. So I just dove in, and yeah, I'm not necessarily an expert, but I hope that you seeing me try this out has given you confidence to do the exact same thing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button for new Boozin' with Besser videos every week. We will be back for season 4 very soon. And if you want this recipe, just head to the description below. Thank you so much for being here. Cheers.